I'm awfully nice, but I'm cold as ice. I've been through hell, but I'll be alright. People here living it up, I think they're blind. I think they're out of their minds. Not one of them has had this. God's not giving me up, no, I'm just fine. It's just a matter of